Documenting this experience that we're sharing, Rick. Cameraman and driver COVID tests. Oh. The person who's driving the truck, which is responsible for the camera equipment, the tools for the bikes when we get to Sturgis, tested positive for COVID-19, and I've been in the truck with him all day, so I'm still testing negative. Another day, another COVID test. Here we go. Oh, I hate those nose swabs so much.
Well, we got 2 up today. It's absolutely beautiful and not over 100 degrees, so we'll take it.
We've put a lot of miles on, almost 250 miles in only about 4 hours, so we're making really great time. We're doing a little pit stop with a little bit of shade, refuel, and then we're off to lunch and then further into Idaho.
Nothing better than a tilting motor works through gravel and road construction.
250 miles at 50 miles an hour, calculates to 5 hours in this heat. It's fun.
How was it?
Long day.
Well, Chris is hungry. We need food.
Oh, Chris has got to be starving. How do you feel right now?
Famished.
Finally dried off from our stint through the mountains in the rainstorm and thunder and lightning, so we're all ready for dropping our stuff off and getting some grub. Day 2 down.
Tall Mountain.